Right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Infiniti Q50. It is the all-wheel drive model. This beautiful black with black leather interior, premium styling, steering wheel controls, backup camera, sunroof, alloy wheels, super nice, and best of all, only 3,000 miles and minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does it have some cribbing? Just very minimum, less than an inch. Tire thread, way over 730 seconds. This door looks great. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks good as well. Here's your rear driver's rim. No cribbing on that. Let's check out your tire thread. Over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. And what that looks like, I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. And a nice shot of your sunroof. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks great. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. You got all your information here. Phone, blah, blah, blah. Drive mode, I don't even know what that is. Steering, blah, blah, blah. Bunch of crap. Stuff here. Radios, there you go. You got your other stuff here that you could probably move this things around here. Okay. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it's saying something about it needs gas and outside temperatures cold. And there's your mileage of 3,241. Oh, wait a minute. Is that an airbag light on? There's an airbag light on this vehicle. We're not sure why, but it is there. That pretty much completes the tour for this. That here is your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, the holes, no tears, or rips. It does have an armrest with cup holders. I didn't show you a shot of the sunroof. There it is. Rear bumper looks great. Your rear trunk lid looks good. Here's your cargo area, and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a owner's manual there with some tools. This car has some sort of run flat system, so this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim, very nice. It does so. It's not curbing. That's actually tape from the from when it's brand new. Very nice. Tire thread on this. Over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat looks good with no holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks nice. Here's your front passenger rim. And your tire thread. Over 730 seconds. Fog lights are working. Headlights are working. Everything looks great, folks. Once again, this is a beautiful 2018 Infiniti Q50 with 3,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.